Title: Discover Paradise. Embrace a greener, healthier lifestyle in an eco-village. In a world dominated by technology, urbanization, and materialism, our connection to nature has become strained. We've become accustomed to concrete landscapes, artificial lights, and the incessant hum of technology. However, amidst this chaos, there is an enchanting alternative, a chance to rediscover our roots and live a life that is both sustainable and enriching. Welcome to the world of eco-villages. A sustainable haven. Eco-villages stand at the forefront of the green revolution, embracing a sustainable way of life. Imagine residing in a community that harnesses solar and wind power to generate its own electricity. Picture yourself savoring pesticide-free, non-GMO produce cultivated in your very own garden. This isn't a utopian fantasy, it's the reality within an eco-village. And the best part, it's not just beneficial for the environment, it's also a boon for your bank account. Nurturing the soul eco-villages offer much more than ecological sustainability. They are sanctuaries for spiritual well-being. Amidst a world brimming with stress and turmoil, these villages provide a respite, a space to unwind and find solace. Here, you can disconnect from the digital deluge and focus on what truly matters: your health, happiness, and meaningful connections with others. And in times of loneliness or isolation, you'll find a supportive community of like-minded individuals ready to uplift and inspire you. Collaboration in harmony. In an eco-village, no one stands alone. Residents work together, sharing resources and lending a helping hand. They join forces to construct homes, cultivate gardens, and celebrate together. This collaboration fosters a deep sense of community and solidarity, often missing in our modern lives. It's a testament to the fact that we can achieve more collectively than we ever could individually. An affordable path to bliss. And here's the icing on the cake. Eco-villages not only benefit the environment and nurture the soul, but they also work wonders for your wallet. Through communal purchasing of goods and services, residents can save money. Additionally, by selling surplus agricultural produce or handmade crafts, they can generate additional income. In short, life in an eco-village isn't just more sustainable and healthier, it's also more affordable. Reconnecting with nature. Our modern society has distanced itself from nature. We inhabit concrete jungles, shielded from the natural world by artificial lights and constant noise. Our days are consumed by screens, cutting us off from the wonders of the earth. However, in an eco-village, we can rekindle that connection. We can revel in the ever-changing seasons, feel the earth beneath our feet, and witness the marvels of nature at our doorstep. It's a return to a simpler, more natural lifestyle that grounds us and helps us forge a profound bond with the world around us. A cradle of innovation eco-villages aren't just havens for reconnecting with nature. They are also hotbeds of innovation and experimentation. They serve as laboratories for exploring novel ways to live sustainably and harmoniously. Whether it's pioneering eco-friendly housing, developing permaculture gardens, or experimenting with new forms of community building, eco-villages are at the forefront of the sustainability movement. They are places where we can learn, grow, and evolve as individuals and as a society. A hub of education and inspiration, eco-villages are also centers of learning and inspiration. They offer countless opportunities for education, from workshops and courses to informal conversations and knowledge exchange. They are places where we can learn from one another and be inspired to lead more sustainable and conscious lives. They empower us to drive change, both in our personal lives and in the world around us. Conclusion. Living in an eco-village is more than just an alternative lifestyle. It's an invitation to embrace a purposeful, fulfilling existence in harmony with nature. It's an opportunity to be part of a community that supports and collaborates, working towards common goals. It's a chance to make a tangible difference, contributing to a more sustainable and equitable world. In a world that has lost touch with nature, eco-villages offer a shining beacon of hope. They illuminate an alternative path, one that leads us back to nature and to our own roots. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and embark on a journey to discover the joys and advantages of life in an eco-village.